guessing trades. These tools show patterns before they explode. What if you could spot a winning trade automatically without drawing any single line? So guys, for today's video, I'm going to show you another platform that is going to go viral within this year. But let me remind you guys that this is not a financial advice. This is for entertainment and review purposes only. So always do your own research before doing anything else. So without further ado, let's get into it. So this is the Trendoscope platform, guys. The purple harmonic pattern and chart pattern indicators for trader. So you can use my link on the description down below to sign up or in the comments section, guys. This is the example of their application on mobile and on computer, guys. You can also request trial here if you want to try out their indicators. Just put your username, email, and TradingView username. So keep in mind, guys, that you need a TradingView account before you request for trial, guys. Okay? So this is the first step or how it works. To get started, follow this simple step. So TradingView account, guys. So this is the TradingView account. Okay? Just click the get started here and then sign up, guys. So plans for every level of ambition. So they have prices here, but you can also try out their trial, guys. Try for free for 30 days. Okay, so 30 days trial and free for 14 days. This one, the $199.95. They have an essential, guys, the plus $28.29, premium $56.49, and the ultimate one is $199.95, guys. You will have 2 charts per tab on the essential and a plus for 4 charts per tab, and then premium 8 charts, guys, per tab, and the ultimate one has a 16 chart per tab. Okay, so times 2 of the premium one, guys. So there's no ads. Okay, no annoying ads. You also have a Trendoscope knowledge base, guys. Go through Trendoscope knowledge base and documentation to learn about various free and premium indicators, guys. So this is the documentation and tutorial for you to read, guys. This is free. Anyone can read this one, guys. So they will have a chart patterns here. For example, Auto Harmonic Screener Ultimate X, guys. Okay, so this is the chart. They have classic technical indicators here. For example, they have zigzag anchored tails, guys. Just click this one and you will see the example of this chart. Editor picks. They also have an editor picks, SIP evaluator and screener, guys. Just click this one and you will see the sample of this one, guys. Okay, so this is the sample of the SIP evaluator and screener Trendoscope. They have Elliott waves. Okay, so in Elliott waves you have 4 choices here. Filters, they have 3 options for filters, guys, like relative bandwidth filter. Let's see this one. Okay, so this is the example of filters. Free and popular indicators they also have here, guys. The ABCD patterns that is trending right now. Everyone is using this indicator, guys. Okay, the ABC one. They also have the fundamentals here. So SIP evaluator and screener also available here at the fundamentals. Harmonic patterns, information, and tutorials, guys. Indicator repainting complete guide. Okay, so this is free. You can look on this website, guys, and try to have a look on their indicators. This is just an example, guys, and a tutorial on how it works. Okay, how are you going to use this Trendoscope to help you trade in future, guys? In repainting bad and how to identify repainting, something like that, guys. Premium indicator. So this is the premium indicators, guys. Okay, premium indicators, this one. Okay, premium one. So they have the Auto Harmonic Screener Ultimate X, guys. Okay, so this is the example of this one. They have zigzag and divergence here. Our collection of zigzag and divergence based algorithms provide traders with powerful tools for identifying potential trend reversal and spotting profitable trading opportunities, guys. For example, divergence indicator and screener. So this one, guys. So this is the example of this one. Divergence screener is a powerful trading view indicator designed to detect and visualize bullish and bearish divergence, including hidden divergences between price action and user selected oscillator, guys. So they have the pricing available here, guys. They also have the pricing. If you are confused, let's see this one again, guys. So plans for every level. They have the community leap trading ideas, indicators, and strategies available on TradingView. Markets, entire world, country, news, indies, stocks, you name it, guys. Crypto, futures, forex, also available here at TradingView. Government bonds, corporate bonds, ETFs, and economy, guys. Okay, so again, this is the Trendoscope knowledge base, guys. So free indicators also available here at Trendoscope, like I mentioned before, and the premium indicators. So about Trendoscope, guys, they have the reputation. The founder and the lead developer of Trendoscope hold bachelor degree in computer science and engineering, and has been in the software industry since 2005. They have researcher. We are always on the lookout for new methods and concepts. We are quite innovative in building our own algorithms. Our premium indicators related to harmonic patterns and chart patterns indicators are one of the best industry. They are programmed to spot patterns on any financial charts and time frame, which is done manually, can take considerable effort and skills. So this is the Trendoscope, guys. So vision to be leading provides of cutting edge pattern recognition algorithms and tools that help traders gain knowledge in technical analysis method, guys. You're in good company. You can read the reviews here, guys, of some people that are using this Trendoscope, guys. Okay, so again, this is the request of trial, free 7-day trial access, guys. Okay, so Trendoscope, they have free, freemium, and then the setup one to access indicator, trials, pricing, affiliate. They also have the affiliate program here's blog and the consulting. They have services offered. Here are some of the services they offer, guys. They have custom development, consultation, and the vendor automation. If you just want to talk to them, guys, you just contact them on their social and on here at the website, guys. Okay, so this is the initial step on how it works and then the setup requirements. So again, this is Crypto Hussein, guys. If you want to learn more about this platform, please subscribe to my channel, comment down below, and share it to your friends. So again, this is Crypto Hussein, guys. Bye-bye.